Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will discuss JavaScript functions. A JavaScript function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. A JavaScript function is executed when something invokes it. Means something, the function will be executed when we call that function. Okay. The syntax for JavaScript function is function. We should write function after that followed by a function name. Okay, in that the statement we want to print, we can display the statement, right? A JavaScript function is defined with the function keyword, okay, followed by a name and followed by parentheses. As I said in the syntax, it should contain a function keyword, after that a function name. This is user defined name, any name you can mention here, right? Function names can contain letters, digits, underscores and dollar signs, right? The parentheses may include parameter names separated by commas. Okay, then what is the use of functions? Why we are using functions? With the help of function, you can reduce code, define the code once and use it many times. Okay, you can use the same code many times with different arguments to produce different result. Here I will show you the example programs how to write and execute a JavaScript function. Okay, here I have taken a notepad. Here I am writing the JavaScript code, right? Here I'm writing HTML. In that I'm writing a head tag and I'm writing script here. Script I can write type is equal to text or JavaScript. I can write like this, right? Here I want to declare a user defined function with the function keyword function function followed by function name. What's the name of our function? Here I can give any name, user defined name I can give here, like I want to give CSC, computer science engineering CSC. Then here I'm not passing any parameters. Here this is the example for function without parameters, without arguments, we can say, right? Here I want to print this statement document dot write. Okay, welcome to the branch of welcome to the branch of computer science engineering. I want to print this computer science engineering. Okay, when I can print this statement once we call this function with a function name. Okay, when this function will be invoked once we use the function name. Okay, then this function will be invoked. Then here I'm calling that function CSC, that's it, semicolon. Okay, here for comment you can see calling calling the function, you can write like this. Okay, then what should I do? I will close the script tag first, then I will close the head. Okay, then immediately I will close HTML. I will save this program with the save as testing.html. Okay, then I will save this program as type save as. Then I'm saving this program. Then I will go to the location where this program is saved. Okay, here is the location testing. Now I'm going to the browser. It is loading the page. Okay, I will go to the browser now. See here, we got the output like this. See, welcome to the branch of computer science engineering. Okay, this is the example for user defined functions. Okay, functions without arguments. Now here only we'll pass and we'll try to pass some arguments. Okay, before that, here I would like to mention one more statement for your uh, understanding purpose. So here I am using break, br break. That means I can use any number of statements here. Okay, that is what I want to show you people. Okay, control V, you can write here. So here I should write document write, then thank you. Here you can write thanks, right? So now I will save this program. I will go to the browser where I have executed the program. Now here I will refresh this program. See here, welcome to the branch of computer science engineering. Thanks. So it has came in next line, right? So here I'm passing some arguments to this function. Okay. Now I will go to the program here. Okay, I will try to pass some arguments here. So I'm try to access some values x comma y. Here I want to get the product of two numbers. So here I will write document dot write x plus y. So here we don't have any values here, so we need to pass the values with the help of parameters. So I want to pass the values here. Can you able to see this notepad, right? Okay. So here I am passing some values to the arguments. See here, here say 100 comma 100. So here I'm separating the values. I can mention any values separated with a comma. So I'm saving this program. Okay, now again I will go to the location. I will go to the browser where I have saved the previous program. So now I will refresh here. See here, we got the output as 200. So this is an example for function with argument. So we are passing some arguments. Okay, uh, we are passing some argument to the function and we are calling that function, right? Here you can change the values here, and just I want to add one more argument here, one more value. So I will add x plus y plus z. So here I need to uh, take x comma y comma z value variables, x comma y comma z variables. So I will save this program. Now we will see how the output will look like. Okay, here see here I'm trying to refreshing the page. See, we got the output as 300. So this is the example for function without arguments. So students, in this session we have covered JavaScript function, and we have executed a program for JavaScript function without arguments, and we have called that function by using function name, and we have covered function with arguments. Okay, we have passed some argument we have passed some values, more than two values also we can pass the arguments. Okay. Thank you for watching the video.